Yo, what is up, guys? Sorry for the late video. Again, I just got home. I was stuck in a freaking traffic jam. So I traded this morning and then I went to the gym. Then they go drop my friends off at the airport. And I was stuck in a traffic jam. So I just got home. I took one trade today, two previous day high. Super obvious trade. We're getting really good draws in liquidity lately. Like the draw was really obvious today. It should be this way, yeah. So here is, I see the wick already right there. As you guys could see, I'm gonna try to, okay, also I'm gonna try to start speed running these trade recaps just for like it's easier for people to watch, because like everybody else's trade recaps like 20 minutes long. So yeah, there's a wick right there. And I was struggling to find an entry because we just started chopping at market open. So I was like, okay, I have two targets here, either these equal lows right here, which are also 830 data lows if you look on the 1 minute time frame. So we have data lows plus equal lows, but the problem with targeting that is we have an SMT at this low. If you look at ES has already taken these lows right here. So I thought we were just going to rip at market open to previous day high, but we ended up coming down, making a down move, and then we still didn't go here. So if you go in the 1 minute, we end up making another move down right here, sweeping this internal low that we just made. And then we obviously have a super huge bullish SMT with ES. If you guys look at ES, guys, ES has taken all these lows. So we have a huge bullish SMT, and now we get a 1 minute inverse. But right here, guys, I did not enter. Okay, also, sorry, let me show you guys a P&L. So I made however much I made in the title. Again, I literally just got home. I just want to get this video up before 5 p.m. so my P&L wouldn't refresh and you guys could still see it. So there's a P&L. I'll put how much that is in the title. And then, yeah, so with that being said, I did not take this 1 minute inverse. Why? Because as you can see, we had the super huge wick out before closing. This 1 minute wick is 20 points. So look at what happened before that. It looks like we're about to hold this trend line, right? Or like just hold this little thing right here. And I don't really want to enter if this is going to instantly go to my stop loss. So I wanted more confirmation, and that's exactly what we got on the next candle. So boom, we have this beautiful candle close. And the reason I'm fine with this, guys, is because I can still catch a trade up here, right? Even if I enter on this candle close, it would be a 25-point trade for me. So I'm completely fine with that. But obviously, I did not enter directly on that close. I'll be just entering at the top of this freaking range right here. Super bad entry. So I want to wait for the next candle. So boom, we open lower. And this was a good enough entry for me. So boom, I click the buy button and TP here. 30-point TP. And then I just put my stop loss with this candle. Again, guys, perfectly fine with losing this trade, because of the fact that if we do lose this trade, what does that mean? It means that we're drawing to these data lows, right? And that means after data lows, what will we most likely do? Take previous day high. So does that mean I'm going to try to catch a short to data low if I lose? No. It just means that if I lose, I'll be like, okay, I took my low risk entry. There's a 20-point stop loss. I'm perfectly fine with that. And now it just looks like we wanted to hit this draw first. Boom, we hit that draw. And now look at how big my trade will be. Like now, my trade is going to be anywhere from 80 to 100, or like, let's see, if we get like an entry all the way down here, it's like 100, but realistically it's like 80 points. Or even if we have to wait till like the inverse is up here, 70 points, right? That is 3 times almost, like two times basically, like 2.5 times the amount of this trade. So I'm completely fine losing 20 points to make 80 points, right? That's 4 times as much. And also, not only that, like, I just don't want to miss out on this. Like, this already looks good, right? Like, Patty and Blake didn't, but Patty entered on this trade on the 1 minute inverse. I told you guys why I don't want to enter on the 1 minute inverse. So that's why I entered up here. And as you guys could see, take profit smashed. There we go. Super simple trade today. After this, you could have caught a short to these equal lows and data lows. That was going to be the next draw on liquidity. And again, here's the P&L. And yeah, super quick video. Oh my God, under 5 minutes. I'm going to try to do every video under 5 minutes. And then, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.